I am from Gaugras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 1, Roman 2, that has been taken from exercise 1.1, chapter 1, rational numbers of NCERT 8th Maths. The question is using appropriate properties, find 2 over 5 into in bracket minus 3 over 7 bracket close minus 1 over 6 into 3 over 2 plus 1 over 14 into 2 over 5. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that it is given that it is given that 2 over 5 into in bracket minus 3 over 7 bracket close minus 1 over 6 into 3 over 2 plus 1 over 14 into 2 over 5. Here you can see in this question 2 over 5 into minus 3 over 7 is the first term, minus 1 over 6 into 3 over 2 is the second term, plus 1 over 14 into 2 over 5 is the third term. प्रथम पद, द्वितीय पद, तृतीय पद. You can see in the first term 2 over 5 is multiplied and the third term 2 over 5 is multiplied. So here I shall use commutative law in order to bring first term and third term together. So here I shall write 2 over 5 into in bracket minus 3 over 7 bracket close plus 1 over 14 into 2 over 5 minus 1 over 6 into 3 over 2 by using commutative law. By using commutative law, first term and third term will be brought together in order to pop out 2 over 5 as a common. So here you can see first term is this one and second term is this one. In the first term 2 over 5 is multiplied. In second term also 2 over 5 is multiplied. You can take 2 over 5 as a common. So here I shall write 2 over 5 will be taken as a common. Here write multiplied. In bracket I shall write, don't write here multiplied. 2 over 5 will be taken as a common. 2 over 5 has been taken as a common. So here from the first term you will get here minus 3 over 7 plus sign here, right here plus, and from the second term 2 over 5 has been taken as a common. So from the second term we will get only 1 over 14 bracket close minus 1 over 6 into 3 over 2. Here I shall write by using distributive law. By using distributive law, I have got this one. What to do next? Next I shall write 2 over 5 in bracket. Here you can see 7 is there and 14 is there. To take LCM of 7 and 14. LCM is least common multiple. So here write 14. Here you can see in denominator 7 is there. By which digit you multiply to 7 in order to get 14 here. If you multiply 7 by 2, you can get easily 14. So since denominator 7 is multiplied by 2, the numerator minus 3 will also be multiplied by 2. So minus 3 will be multiplied by 2. So you will get here minus 3 into 2, you will get here minus 6. Plus 1 I shall write. Minus. And by using the concept of BODMAS, here you can see these 3, this 6 will be cancelled out. We will get here 3 to the 6. So here you write only 2. So it will become 1 over 2 multiplied to 1 over 2. Now I shall write equal to 2 over 5 minus 6 plus 1 comes out to be minus 5 over 14 minus 1 over 2 is multiplied to 1 over 2 comes out to be 1 over 4 equal to, here you can see I can write very well 2 over 5 is multiplied to minus 5 over 14 minus 1 over 4. You will get, here you can see plus 5 minus 5. Minus 5 is there in numerator and plus 5 is there in denominator. So plus 5 or minus 5 will be cancelled out. We will get here minus 1. 2 will be multiplied to minus 1. Don't multiply here. Again 2 is there in numerator and 14 is there in denominator. So 2 and 14 will be cancelled out. So here you will get only 7. It comes out to be, in numerator you will get here minus 1 over, and in denominator you will get here 7 minus 1 over 4 you will get equal to, here take LCM of 7 and 4. We will get here 28. By which digit you will multiply to 7 in order to get the LCM 28. If you multiply 7 by 4, the 7 4 is 28 you will get. The numerator also will multiply by 4. The numerator minus 1 will be multiplied to 4. We will get here minus 4. And here minus 1 will be multiplied to 7. We will get here minus 7. Minus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7 will be added together. We will get here minus 11 over 28. The correct answer of question number 1, Roman 1, exercise 1.1, you have got here minus 11 over 28. The answer will be, here I shall write answer equal to minus 11 over 28. This is the correct answer. You have got minus 11 over 28 of question number 1, Roman 2, exercise 1.1, chapter 1, rational numbers of NCERT 8th mathematics. Okay, thanks.